if you've installed your custom firmware on your PSP and you turn it on and it does this, then you'll have to follow the steps in this video, otherwise you won't be able to run anything, because it actually erases the custom firmware, so to speak. As you can see, if you look on here, system information, see it's 6.6.0. That's just after restarting, and I haven't uninstalled it, I've still got it. But if you have installed it, you're going to make sure that you have installed it. This is when you use the fast recovery. You just click it and it reboots. And you can see now, if I go back to system settings and then system information, see it's back again, and now you can run anything again.